In this video, we are going to show you how to copy Instagram comments through the Instagram app. Let's get started. Locate the post and comment you wish to copy. Once you've identified the post, click on View or Comments, and you'll be able to see all the comments. Instagram doesn't directly allow copying comments. However, there's a workaround. You can copy the comment by taking a screenshot of it on your phone, just like this. Once you've taken the screenshot, navigate to your photo library to locate the image. Now, within your camera roll, tap on the lens icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. This will open up Google Lens. Opt for the search feature and choose the screenshot you intend to copy. Once selected, copy it to your clipboard. Now, you have the copied text at your disposal for various applications, such as translation or reference. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.